Public speaking is a skill that can open doors, whether you're giving a business presentation, delivering a speech, or simply trying to articulate your thoughts more confidently. But let's be real, getting up in front of a crowd can be intimidating. The good news? Well, ChatGPT can be your personal speech coach. So, in this video, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT to refine your delivery, boost your confidence, and captivate your audience. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you on your journey to becoming a confident speaker. Let's get started. Now, before you step on stage or in front of a camera, having a clear and compelling structure for your speech is crucial. Think of your speech as a roadmap. You want a strong opening that grabs attention, main points that clearly deliver your message, and a conclusion that leaves a lasting impression. But structuring this effectively can be challenging. But thankfully, ChatGPT right here can act as a guide, helping you arrange your ideas in a logical and engaging way. So let's say you're preparing a speech on the topic of, okay, let me paste my prompt right here. Here's the topic, the future of remote work. All right, so as you can see, just straightforward. I would ask ChatGPT to provide an outline with an engaging introduction, three key points, and a strong conclusion. All right, let's see what ChatGPT generates. This should give us a clear framework to build our speech around. All right, here's what it generated right here, as you can see. There we go. So far, so good. It's quite a solid framework. So notice how it begins with an attention grabbing introduction right here. See, with all the quotes that can help you out. All right, there we go. Now we're moving on to the key points. So one, the role of technology in remote work's evolution. Key point number two, work-life balance and employee well-being. And you can see with each of the key points, there are subtopics here that can help you out. There we go. Key point three, how companies are adapting. Okay. And then, as you can see, now we follow up with the conclusion, reinforcing the main message, inspire action. And there we go with a strong closing line right here. See? Okay, and there is follow-up question. Would you like me to refine any section or add specific data points? It's very optional. Just feel free to pick whatever you like, just in your favor for your speech. It's optional for you. All right, so yep, look at that. Very well structured with the framework of for the speech right here. And you can also tweak this to fit your speaking style, just as asked by ChatGPT right here, just in case, for instance, if ever that would be popping up. And yeah, so, and just remember, practice delivering it out loud just to make sure it flows naturally. See? Even with a great speech, delivery is everything. A monotone voice can bore your audience, while the right vocal variety keeps them engaged. Now, think of your voice as a musical instrument. It should have highs, lows, pauses, and emphasis to create impact. But where do you emphasize? Where should you slow down? Now, let's use ChatGPT again to help us refine our delivery. Okay, so same topic, and we'll use the same one right here. This is my prompt. See? Future of remote work. And I would ask, can you suggest where I should slow down, pause for emphasis, and vary my tone to make it more engaging? And all right, let's see how ChatGPT suggests improving our vocal delivery. There we go. And here it is. So as you can see, ChatGPT is helping us mark sections where we should slow down. There we go. Very detailed with the instructions. Going down here. Slow down when listing key technologies. Okay. There we go. As you'll see, it also raises our voice for emphasis or use for a dramatic pause. So one example right here, pause before sharing the statistic about worker preferences. There we go. See right here, then down to the conclusion. And then hear your tone. Make it inspiring and powerful, just to guide with the tone of the voice when enunciating it. And yep, here we go. There he is. Once more, you'll see the instructions, very clear to help you out. So just try reading it out loud using these cues, and you'll notice a big difference in how your speech sounds. Practicing with these adjustments will make your delivery much more dynamic and memorable. All right, so if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. A great way to refine your speech is by anticipating audience reactions. Are they likely to laugh at a joke? Will they have concerns about a key point? Engaging with your audience in real time can make your speech more interactive, but only if you're prepared for different responses. That's where ChatGPT can help. It can simulate audience reactions so you can practice responding in a confident and natural way. Okay, so I have my prompt right over here. I would be asking ChatGPT to like simulate audience reactions that include moments that may laugh, nod in agreement, or express skepticism. Okay. Once my prompt is all set and done, let's check out what ChatGPT predicts. So this will help us anticipate how different parts of our speech might be received. But we'll see how this would do. Alrighty. Okay. So this is the great way to prepare in case with the audience reaction. So by knowing when to expect laughter, curiosity, or even skepticism, you can adjust your delivery, add clarifications, or reinforce your key points for maximum impact. So for example, right here, there's a remote work offers flexibility, yada, yada, yada. There would be like collective nodding. And right there, mentioning how companies like Spotify and Twitter, there would be light applause right here. And they're like a joke, big laughs. All right. Down to the last with the conclusion. Applause, some aesthetic, some polite. And yep, right here. So the more prepared you are, the more your interactions become smoother with the audience will be. See right here, just in case you're going to be quite self-aware or prepared in your speech, just a set in stone. And yep, and that's how you can use ChatGPT to level up your public speaking skills, sorry about that. So whether it's structuring your speech, refining delivery, or preparing for audience's reaction, an AI tool like ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in becoming a confident speaker. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you all in the next video.